This is Professor Rakshak Sood, and today we are going to study the concept of communication models in IoT. Our reference book is Internet of Things Hands-on Approach by Arshdeep Bega and Vijay Madiseti. Basically, there are four communication models. The first is the request response model, which is based on the client server paradigm. Here, the client behaves like the slave and has to send a request to the server. The server, based on its resources, will prepare a specific response to the client and send it across. Example of this can be web surfing, wherein when we type the URL, so your system will behave like the client or the slave and send a request to the server. The server will fetch information from the internet cloud and make it available to you in a step-by-step client server paradigm model, which is nothing but the request response model. The second is the pub sub or publish subscribe model. Here we can take an example of e-learning platforms like Udemy or Coursera, which behave like the broker. Whoever has subscribed to a particular content of the publisher, it will be made available to the consumers. In this case, consumer 1 and 2, for example, let's say, it will be via the broker. So broker will be a Udemy platform or a Coursera platform in this case. Even YouTube, the platform on which I am publishing this particular video, is like the broker. Whoever is viewing this video are the consumers and I am the publisher here. So this is about the second model. The third model is the push-pull model. The best example of this can be our WhatsApp messages. Whenever we send any message across, it does not directly reach the recipient, but it is done via push-pull servers. First, as soon as we send a message and we get a single tick, it means our message has reached a push server, which is an SMTP server. From there, via the internet cloud, it will be redirected to a pull server and we will get a double tick against the message. As soon as the recipient reads this message, it will be actually pulled from the server onto the recipient's device, and that is when we will get a double blue tick. So this is basically about the push-pull model. The fourth model is an exclusive pair model, which is used for military, defense and critical applications. Here, a three-step connection has to be made between the client and the server. The first is connection establishment, the second is data transfer, and the third is connection termination. So a request will be sent from the client to the server, it will be acknowledged, then all the data will be transferred, and when this process is complete, then a call termination request will be sent and acknowledged. So this will happen in 3 stages. So this is about the 4 communication models in IoT. Hey friends, I will strongly recommend you to read the book mentioned. Also, share this content with maximum people. Don't forget to type in your valuable comments and takeaways